Solid-state batteries have been hyped for years, so why are they still stuck right before mass production? The issue isn't the concept. It comes down to Oxide solid-state electrolytes. Whoever gets them right will be the first to unlock commercialization. Boyee made an early move in the Oxide electrolyte space. As a pioneer in China focused on full-line solutions for Oxide solid-state electrolyte production, we provide complete process solutions covering every step, from feeding, mixing, sintering, milling, spray drying, jet milling, to demagnetization and packaging. Our solutions fully support mainstream materials such as LLZO and LATP. Whether you need water-based, alcohol-based, or NMP-based slurry products or high-purity powder products, Boyee has mature production lines to support your needs. We offer 2 proven product routes, both built on standardized, closed-loop production across the entire process. From start to finish, every step is tightly controlled to ensure consistent output of high-performance Oxide solid-state electrolyte materials. Unlike the common industry model of selling equipment without ensuring implementation, Boyee has already delivered multiple proven, large-scale projects, helping customers move quickly into production and scale up reliably. From core equipment customization and process optimization to full-line integration and EPC turnkey delivery, we offer an integrated model of equipment plus process plus service. This approach truly bridges every step from lab-scale development to mass production, making large-scale manufacturing of Oxide solid-state electrolytes no longer a bottleneck. At CIBF 2026, Boyee will showcase mature, full-route solutions for Oxide solid-state electrolytes. May 13th to 15th, booth 8T022. We look forward to seeing you there.